everyone, welcome back. So after your today's conversation class, in which we have not done conversation but we have done a story. So you have understood that story now, the monkey and the cap seller. So in all the stories that I am bringing up to you, I just wanted to teach you some or the other moral behind it. So the story, this monkey and on Wednesday also we did a story, the three little pigs. You remember? In that I told you that always the hard work that we do, hard work and dedication that we show towards our work always give rewards to us, isn't it? And today we have learned a new model that whenever you are in some trouble, जब भी आप कभी किसी मुसीबत में हैं, you should not get fear. एकदम से डरना नहीं है. You have to fight from it. You have to think wisely. Remember monkey and the crocodile? There also monkey thought wisely. Here the cap seller, he thought so wisely about the things. Okay, if monkeys has taken the cap, so he just thought of a trick to get them back. Clear? So there is always a solution of every problem. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है उसका सोल्यूशन है, बट वी जस्ट हैव टू थिंक ऑन इट, वी जस्ट हैव टू बी केयरफुल कि जो हो रहा है वी हैव टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन फ्रॉम दैट. ओके, ग्रेट. सो नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स आवर टुडेज मैथ्स क्लास. सो क्लास previously, I mean yesterday, we have done one shape. We have started our topic of shapes. So in this topic we have done circle yesterday. I taught you about different objects that are circle in shape. Then we have also learned how to draw a circle shape. You can draw a circle shape using any circular object. I taught you that. So today we are moving ahead, and today we are going to learn about one more new shape, that is triangle. So today we are going to learn about the shape triangle. So we can draw this triangle using a scale. So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn how to use a scale. You all have a scale. Ma'am will teach you how you can use the scale in drawing shapes also. Clear? So let's move. First we are going to identify some objects that we come across every day, जिनको हम daily देखते हैं, but we are not able to get it. हम उसको correlate नहीं कर पाते. We are not able to correlate it with the shapes. So the things that are triangle in shape. So a flag. See, a flag. This flag you can see, sometimes we can see on road sign board, जो रोड पे साइन बोर्ड्स होते हैं उन पे होता है, और यू कैन सी such shape flag on temples also. जो मंदिर होते हैं उनके ऊपर का जो फ्लैग होता है वो भी ऐसे ही ट्रायंगुलर शेप होता है. See class, what is a triangle? It is a figure of three lines, a closed figure. जो तीनों लाइंस आपस में जुड़ी हुई हैं और एक ये फिगर बनती है जो क्लोज है. You remember open and close? A closed figure, a closed shape है ये, for which we use three lines. Three lines use करते हैं, that is two slanting lines and one sleeping line. So we are using these three lines to form a triangular shape. Clear? अब ये three lines में कोई भी दो triangle हो कोई भी दो slanting हो सकती हैं. One sleeping, it can be one standing, one sleeping, one slanting. Basically three lines, and those three lines when they are joined together and they are making a closed shape, वो triangle होता है. Clear? So now see, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, ये joined है ना, triangle ये भी है. So we have an example of sandwich. You all love eating sandwiches. So whichever sandwich be that be, a cheese sandwich or a mayo sandwich or vegetable sandwich, paneer sandwich, whichever sandwich you are eating, they are triangle in shape. Sandwiches is an example of triangle shape. Then we have flag. As I told you, it can be a temple flag, It can be something on a road sign board also. Then we have mountains. So whenever you draw scenery, जब भी आप कभी कोई भी scenery बनाते हो, हम zigzag बना देते हैं. So what that zigzag is? Triangle shape. और वो हम क्या बनाते हैं? Mountains. Mountains बनाते हैं and then we color it brown. So mountains are also triangle in shape, isn't it? अब इसके नीचे अगर हम इसको ऐसे join कर देंगे तो ये mountain हो गए ना? And they are triangle in shape. Triangle shape भी बन रही है. Then we have Christmas tree. So if you make a Christmas tree, आप Christmas tree की shape देखते हैं, वो ऐसी होती है और वो नीचे से join हो जाती है. So that is again triangle in shape, isn't it? Whenever you keep your clothes in cupboard, you hang them on this particular thing. What we call it? It's a hanger. So mama use this to hang your clothes. Or whenever you are going out in a store for shopping, you will find the clothes, they are hanged in such a hanger. So whenever, if from the next time when you will go out, or if you have one in your cupboard, just check. This hanger is also triangle in shape. Be that it is of plastic or of wood or it is of any other metal, it is always triangle in shape. इसकी shape क्या होती है? Triangle होती है. Then we have ice cream cones. Yes, you all love eating ice creams. Ice creams तो सब खाते हैं. अब जो ice cream cone वाली ice cream होती है, I'm talking about the cone ice cream. So the cones are triangle in shape. वो नीचे से pointed होते हैं और ऊपर से vast होते हैं जिसमें आप ice cream fill करते हैं. Then we have birthday caps. So you all celebrate your birthday. You wear beautiful caps, isn't it? So the birthday cap that we wear is also triangle in shape. Clear? So can you tell me about one or two more objects that are triangle in shape? Sometimes mama cooks a paratha. Sometimes we can make triangle paratha also. I cook that for my child. So आप paratha भी हो सकता है triangle shape का. Then we have sandwiches, flags. Lot of things we have that are triangle in shape. Clear? One more example if I give you, if you have ever seen a pizza slice. So you all are eating pizzas. So one single slice. See, yesterday I told you if we see the whole pizza, जब पिज्जा बन के आता है आपके पास, it is circle in shape. But when we take out the slice, जब हम उसमें से एक slice को निकाल लेते हैं, you will find the slice is in this shape. वो ऐसे होती है, isn't it? So again, it's a triangle having lot of toppings, cheese on it. So again, this one slice is triangle in shape. But if we are talking about full pizza, the one that is served to you, बिना उसको खाए हुए, that is circle in shape. Clear everyone? Okay. Now, let us see the work that we have to do in book today. Today we are going to do some coloring and matching work in book. And for this, please open your book on page number 20. So, book page number 20. All of you open this page number and let's see how we are going to identify things and color the triangle shape in it. Clear? And after that I'll tell you how we can draw triangle shape in our notebook using scale and pencil. So for that, keep a scale with you today. Okay? So class, now open your number book 2 and first we will see how we are going to do our today's classwork. So when you will open the book on page number 20, so you will open this book on page number 20, you will find the topic triangle. So this is the shape we have learnt today, triangle. So when we are going to pronounce the word, when we are going to pronounce it, triangle, triangle. See, again when you will speak it phonetically with the sounds of these alphabets, you will be able to read it. Now the question says, color the triangles to complete the objects. So some objects are given to you, like we have a flag, then tree, then cap, and ice cream. So what you have to do, we are going to color the triangular shapes of these objects. Clear? So again we are going to use our pencil colors for this. Now if we talk of a flag, I would like to do red color in it. What I'll do, I'll take a red color and I'll start doing coloring in this flag. So like this we'll color our flag. If you want, you can take any other color, but I have taken red color. Generally when you see the flags of temple, they are red or yellow in color. So you can take yellow color also if you feel like. Like this we will color this flag. You don't have to press your pencil lot. उसको ज़्यादा दबा के नहीं करना है, बहुत light hands से करना है आपको. Done. So this is how we have done our flag. Now the next picture is tree. So can anyone tell me what is the color of tree? Tree is green in color. So for tree I have taken green color. And like this I'll do coloring in tree. So whenever you are sitting for your classes, keep your stationeries, your pencil colors with you so that you can also do your work with me. Clear? Like this, we'll color the tree. And whenever you are doing any coloring, keep one thing in mind, you have to cover the whole area. Complete cover करना है आपको उसे. See class, मैम different strokes कर रही हैं, but still वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं. Why? Because I am doing it very lightly. Now like this, we have completed our tree. Now next we have is a cap. So cap you can do in any of your favorite color. For this cap, I'll take blue color. So if you want, you can use any other color. Like this, we'll do blue color in cap now. Done. After completing the cap, we have ice cream cones. So ice cream cones are wafers. So for that I'll take yellow color. And like this we have completed our today's coloring. Class, I forgot one thing. Don't you forget. We have to write today's date. That is 16th October 2020. And this is our classwork. So always mention date and classwork or homework on your work. Don't forget to do that. Clear? So now, after completing this coloring, see how beautiful it is looking? Isn't it? It's looking beautiful now. Next we are going ahead and the next question says, match the triangles of same size. Remember yesterday we matched the circles of same size. Today we are going to match the triangles that are same in size. Clear? So let's start finding out. First we have this triangle. Can you find a similar triangle here? Yes, can you find one? Yes, we have on this. This is the one which looks similar. They are same in size. So I am using red color pencil to match them. Like this we have done the matching. Now next we have is a triangle which is pointing down, or you can say it's a ice cream cone shaped triangle. So can you find where we have one similar looking? This is the one. Okay. So now I am taking orange color and with that I'll match it. Like this. Understood? Now, next we have is a sandwich shape. We have a sandwich shape. So a small sandwich you can say, because both these are sandwich shape. So a small sandwich shape we have. Can you find out of these two which one is small? This is small now. So we'll match them both. So for matching, always use different color for each matching. Clear? Like this. Now we are left with only one. That is this big one. And we'll match them like this. Understood how you are going to do your today's classwork? Okay, now let's see how we are going to do our today's notebook work, that is homework. Okay? So class, now let's see how we can draw triangle shaped objects in our notebook. So from the book you must have understood which are the different triangle shaped objects we have, isn't it? So let's see how we can draw this shape in our notebook. So first thing is we'll write today's date. So what is that? 16th October 2020. This is our today's date and we'll write HW because it's our homework. Now, as we all are aware, we have ice cream cones, we have flag, then we have caps, birthday caps in triangle shape. So what we are going to do? We are going to draw birthday cap and ice cream cone. Okay, these are the two shapes we are going to draw. So what you have to do? Count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from the fourth square, what you will do? You will make a point like this. Now can you see this point on the fourth square? Now from there, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares. And here I'll make a point. Understood? अब यहाँ से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 पे again I'll make a point like this. So now we have 3 points. Isn't it? Can you see all these 3 points where I have drawn? See class, again I am telling you from the second line or third line you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes leave करके आपको एक point बनाना है. ठीक है? फिर we'll count downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 count करके you will make 1 dot here और उसके आगे further count करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 के यहाँ पे हमने एक dot लगाई. Now using your scale, see, you all have a scale with you. So this is a scale we have. What you have to do, you will use this scale and like this you will join these lines using a scale and pencil. ठीक है, ऐसे scale को hold करना है. Take your pencil and draw a line. Like this you will join all the 3 dots with each other. Okay class? So now can you see that I have joined these 3 dots but I have not joined the sleeping line. Why? Because here where the sleeping line we have to join, I'll make a circle shape. Or you can say I'll draw a curve here so that it gives a cap look. So like this we'll join it like this. Is that clear to all? Now after joining it like this, I'll make a pom-pom here. So we have pom-poms on our birthday caps and you can decorate it using any pattern or shapes in it. So this is one object we have drawn with triangle shape. Now next we have is an ice cream cone. So as I have told you how to draw this triangle, इसको आपको reverse बनाना है. बन गया? After drawing this, we'll make some ice cream on it like this. Understood? So like this we'll make some ice cream and I'll put a cherry here. So when we eat this ice cream, we find some zigzag lines on our wafy cone, isn't it? So like that, we'll make some zigzag line patterns here. So understood the two objects, how you have to draw these objects using your triangle shape. So first we have drawn is a cap, and second one is an ice cream. So after drawing these objects, you can write the name and color them as well. Is that clear to all? Understood your work? So class, enjoyed drawing triangles and coloring in them. What do you have to do first? You are going to finish your classwork as I shown you in the book, and after that use a scale to draw these triangles. And when you will start drawing these shapes, you will understand how to draw these shapes. I'll also teach you how we can draw a beautiful scenery using these shapes. But that activity we'll do after completing all the shapes. Okay? So bye for now. Complete your work and don't forget